What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add wallet to CoinMarketCap portfolio. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly add or import your wallet into your CoinMarketCap account? Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go to coinmarketcap.com here and you want to log in. Let's go and click on login at the top right here, and let's go and choose whichever way that you've created your account. In my case, I've created my account using Google. Let's go and choose continue with Google here, and let's go and basically proceed with the login steps. Now, if it requires you to log in and entering your email address, go ahead and do that and enter your password. But in my case, I'm already logged in here. Let's go ahead and start adding our wallet or importing our wallet. So at the top right here, you have a bunch of buttons. We have portfolio here, and we also have watch list. Now what you need to do is you just need to click on the portfolio option. And from here, what you need to do is you just need to go to the create portfolio at the top right, or at the left side here, you also have the create portfolio option. Now just click on create portfolio and you have a bunch of options. So you have add transactions manually, connect Binance account, connect OKX account, or connect your wallet. So what you need to do is you just need to click on connect your wallet, and you just need to enter your wallet address here and set a portfolio name for it. So in this case, just enter your address and your portfolio name here, and just click on create connection, and that would actually create your portfolio in your CoinMarketCap account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.